Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World, and we got another awesome watch face that we think you should take a look at. So stay tuned, it's coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I got an awesome watch face for you all to check out by my man, Original Watch Faces. Now you've seen this work before, so you know this guy gets down on some watch faces, and the name of the watch face is called Belarus. Now in always on mode, I'm liking this glow in the dark effect type of look that this watch face has, and it even looks elegant. Now when the watch face is on, it's not a bad look as well. I like the dials and the information that this watch face brings. Now you get the best of both worlds. You get analog and you get digital. Now up at the top, you're going to get info on your calories burned, heart rate. You're also going to get your goal for your steps that's been completed. And in that same dial, you're also going to get your battery percentage. That's going to be right there. Now right across from it is your digital time, your PM stamp, and it's going to give you your date. And come all the way down, you're going to get your step info along with miles walked or ran, so you can keep up with how much you have been exercising that day. So this isn't a bad look. But if you look at the hand, the long hand and the short hand, it is kind of dimmed out. Now that's very different, very unique, but you can still see the time. Also, you're going to get shortcuts, which I love. So if you single tap on any of those, you'll be able to make a phone call, check out your weather, send text messages. And for me, I love my music. So I like that he put things that were important, at least for me, that is. But I'm thinking this is a great looking watch face. It is definitely worth its weight in gold in the Gear Manager store. So go down, check it out. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.